At the center of the circus was Sniffles the Clown, a perpetually sneezing performer. Whenever Sniffles felt a sneeze coming on, the audience held their breath in anticipation. With each sneeze, something extraordinary happened. In a land where laughter was the currency and silliness was a way of life, there existed a one-of-a-kind spectacle known as the Silly Sneezing Circus. This wasn't your typical circus, oh no. It was a place where sneezes turned into marvelously wacky acts. One day, as Sniffles felt a sneeze tickling his nose, a giant bubble appeared. It was no ordinary bubble, it contained a whole band of musical frogs. The bubble floated above the crowd, and the frogs played the silliest tunes, making everyone dance with glee. Another time, Sniffles sneezed and out popped a parade of roller-skating penguins, balancing towering scoops of ice cream. The audience roared with laughter as the penguins twirled and slid around the ring, offering ice cream to anyone who dared to catch them. But the most uproarious sneeze of all happened when Sniffles let out a gigantic achoo that created a whirlwind of feathers. The feathers transformed into a flurry of flying chickens, all wearing sunglasses and tap dancing to a catchy beat. As the years went by, the Silly Sneezing Circus became the most sought-after show in the land. People traveled from far and wide to witness the hilarious sneezing spectacles. And Sniffles the Clown became a legend, his sneezes creating joy and laughter wherever they went. So, if you ever find yourself in a land where the air is filled with giggles and sneezes, be sure to visit